Hey all, Sam Franks, Norwex Independent Sales Consultant here, and I'm here to show you all of our car products and how they work together and what a great gift they make. So we're going to start with the outside windows of the car, and I'm going to show you the windows up close and show you the vehicle up close. Now, what I love about the car wash mitt is that I just use a bucket of water and the mitt to clean. So I get the mitt wet in the bucket of water. This is the scrubbing side, the side that gets all the dirt and grime off, and this is your rinse side. So no hose needed. Helps save water and also makes it really easy, especially if you live in a place where you don't have a hose like an apartment complex. So I'm going to show you how to do the windows first. You just use this to remove all the grease and grime and dirt, and then you use the back side as the rinse. Then you're going to grab our car cloth, which is great for polishing and shining. You use this dry to dry the window, and what I love is there's 0 streaks. This cloth also holds a lot of water, so you can do all your windows, and you can also dry some other parts on your car, like any chrome or areas that you want to polish or shine up. That's what this car cloth is great for. So we've got the car cloth, the car wash mitt. I want to show you the car wash mitt a little bit closer. So we're going to look at the car here, and what I like is it easily fits on your hand. And I'm going to wash just this area right here, and you guys can see it kind of gets down in everywhere, makes it really easy and quick to clean. Then we do the rinse side, which helps remove any of the dirty water, kind of rinses it away without having to use a hose. And then I like to use my buff and dry cloth. So this side is the drying side, and this side is the buffing side. So I'm going to go ahead and dry it because it's a little warm out and everything's going to dry real quick. But don't. So I'm going to dry it with the with the drying side. And you can see that it's kind of, my hand kind of sticks on the paint. It kind of makes a squeaky sound. But I can use this side, which is the polishing side, to really buff it out and polish it up. And this works excellent for that. And you'll see how it's hard to see the difference, but you'll be able to feel the difference, which is the main thing, is being able to feel it. So you just buff it up, and when I rub my hand on it, it rubs a lot easier. So it's nice and buffed and keeps things from sticking to it as easily. Dirt and grime keeps your car cleaner for a little longer. Now we're going to move to the inside of the car. We've got a couple things like our leather shine, and I don't have any leather in my car to show this on, but this is the leather shine. And it comes with an application sponge, and then a polishing side. Then you remove this little top tray, and we've got the wax down in there, and this is great on any of your car leather or leather outside your car. Also, the inside of your car is these two, now I'm forgetting what they're called, car vent clips, and it comes with 2 of them. You just put them in your vents, and you can put essential oils on them to help fragrance it. It smells really, really good in your car without using any toxic chemicals in there. Now for the inside of the windows. So what I like to use inside my car is my 3-in-1 car mitt. I usually keep a little tiny spritzer bottle in my car just to spritz the window, and then I dry it with this. I don't have that on me at the moment, so I'm just going to show you with the car wash mitt to wash the inside of the window. So I'm going to wipe the inside of my window here with the car wash mitt. Let me put on my hand, just make it real quick. And then the 3-in-1 car mitt I love to put on my hand, and it makes it really easy just to dry the window. And the reason why I use this inside my car instead of the car cloth is because this is great for doing the dash, for wiping down anything in my car across here or across any parts that I want to get dust off of or dirt off of. So it also flips. so that you have different sides to work with, so that if one side's dirty, then you can flip it, and then you can use this side, or you can flip it again. You can use this side or this side, and it's really convenient to keep in your glove compartment. So sometimes if I'm stopped at a stoplight, I'll get it out my glove compartment and just kind of like dust a few things, and that's that. Or if I'm in my car waiting for someone, just dust a few things, keep it nice and clean by just keeping it right there inside my glove compartment. So if you have any questions about any of the car products, you can go to createahealthyhome.biz and look at them, or you can message me, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.